Okay, now we need to find black. Okay, let's go. Hiya! Hey guys, you know what my big brother is? I don't really. No, we don't. I'm sorry. Sorry. Yeah, little bro. Sorry, we don't know where he is. Hey, little bro. What's up? Big bro, you're here. Yeah. Little bro. Get down, right? Okay, I'm down, Daddy. Okay, guys, we're all lined up. Let me teleport everyone else here. What was that? Okay, I'm running away. Bye.